and stay out of people's content. You where they use person content, they like person where they sleep with another person wife. The day when they go catch you go be like say they go cut your hand, cut your leg, cut your bola, cut your hand, cut your head. Everything go cut, go. You understand? All right, guys, welcome to another amazing video. My name is Solomon, and today we are here again to give you value upon values, just as we always do. Someone asked me, he said, Solomon, what if I upload video on YouTube and my video is not getting views? What should I do? It looks as if YouTube algorithm is against him. The algorithm is not pushing his video. The algorithm is biased. The algorithm is not working. The YouTube is not for everyone. No, I told him no, YouTube is for everyone. Just that there's something that always happens on YouTube. Time will come that your content will not get views. And these things happen sometimes when you have copyright strike or you have some technical problem on your own channel, on your end. Maybe you're having some violation. The algorithm sometimes will try to like play safe. I think the algorithm will try to play safe and then try to like keep your channel out of people's eyes first, so that you will not end up spoiling business for him. You know, the algorithm is like the salesperson, the marketer for YouTube. It is that algorithm, that thing called marketer algorithm. Mr. Algorithm is responsible for the views all the YouTube channels get. You know, how they distribute the content to their community, the YouTube users, how they access content, how people get to discover videos is the job of the algorithm. So if your channel is not healthy for the YouTube users consumption, there is high probability that your video is going to be sidelined maybe for some times until you are able to be trusted again. And now, how are you going to regain this trust from Mr. Algorithm? How to regain this trust from Mr. Algorithm is to never give up. Keep uploading your videos. Right now, why I'm able to even answer your question is because right now, as of now, like this, right now, our channel is faced with one copyright strike, which is keeping our videos out of people's contact. So if you see this video, it means you are lucky to even see this video. So make sure you watch it till the end, so that by the time the algorithm decide to hide it again, you won't be part of those that will be looking for the videos on YouTube and then will not see it. So our channel had a strike from a random person. I don't know this person. No, the person just jejely on his own can't strike me, send me copyright strike. The content this man upload is my content. Meanwhile, the content was not on his channel. He is not a football YouTube content creator like me. He's not a broadcaster. He's a bike man. He ride bike. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, you get me, ba? The man na bike when he ride him by himself on his own. Go give me strike on YouTube. People do on YouTube where they do that, you know. No, just lose guard. People there on YouTube where they do that thing. So if you are this person that use people's content a lot, time will come that you will no longer be having views, because maybe without you knowing, someone must have reported your channel, or the algorithm must have discovered that your channel reuse content, reuse people's content. That way they'll be like, oh no, this guy, this guy is not having, this channel is not having its own original content, right? Maybe that will be the reason why your video or your channel will be sidelined. This thing I'm telling you is because those are the things that are happening to me. So your own case might be different, but for me, those are the things that are happening to me at the moment. My own channel is sidelined because I think maybe I had that one strike, right, from YouTube, and that can stop your monetization, right? It can stop your monetization. It has happened to me, so I'm telling you now, you have to learn. Don't learn in a very hard way. Watch this video till the end so you learn. Stop using people's content. Use your own. Create your content. It's not hard to do content. If you know you don't have, maybe you are not a tech guy like me, you don't need to do tech videos. There are things you can do. That particular thing you are doing in your office, that is your job, you can decide to talk about it online instead of, oh, people are doing sport video now, you go carry their own and post. Time go come when we say that thing go work first, it go dey work for you from the beginning, but time will come that you will no longer be having the traction you are having. But thank God for the kind of spirit where we will get. No dulling, no giving up. We know they give up. So some of you will be saying that they do that thing, stop it. Don't use people's content. It might harm your channel later. How to do it is use your own, create your own content. However, anyhow it be, e good, e no good, keep creating. If you see my first video on this channel, I don't remove and share because that video has one audio that is not my own, and I don't want it that whenever I'm coming back to apply for monetization, YouTube will now tell me that, oh, you have reused content. I removed everything that is not originally created by me from my channel because of that particular thing, because I decided to react to someone's video, and all of a sudden I got strike from person where be say no be even own the video. The video is owned by Galatasaray club where Osimhen dey. Now Osimhen na my guy, my paddy, where I like where I post in video, comment on am, say my guy they do Osimhen, you know what I'm saying. Before I know I'll get Osimhen strike, they strike me left, right and center. That's why I vex. Not be me even delete the video self. Now YouTube by themselves. Now then delete the video from my channel. And now they will give you 90 days to wait first before the strike will be removed. Imagine you wait for 90 days before your channel gets well again. They give your channel epilepsies for 90 days. Imagine that kind of hurt. You know how painful that would be? You stay for 90 days before your channel get healed from epilepsy of not being seen. You get one sickness where they hide people inside Bible, where we say those people they carry bell tie for their self body, so that whenever they are coming into public, people go know say this kind of people they come, then they go just camper that sickness. Before they carry that sickness give your channel, learn now, and I hear you go learn them. Now why my channel stop to the get view with this, and I dey tell you now so that your own no go be say you learn it the hard way, just like VDM they talk am. So if you are using people's content, stop using it. And if you are just posting your own original content and it's happened that you are not getting views, please don't give up. Time like that will come. You must know that when you get to this thing called monetization, YouTube not go there for you again. No, they go begin bring rules where you don't know from beginning. No, where you don't know these rules go come from left, this one go come from right, this one go come from top. All of them go jam pack you like this, open eye won't blow you. That's all YouTube dey. So if you know now, so if they use people's content or you dey create your own content, quite okay. You get to monetization, it's going to be more difficult. Once you get to monetization, you get to that 1,000 views and that 4,000 watch hour, is going to be more difficult. Just get your 4,000 watch hours first. It will be difficult, but just get it and keep that difficulty, that moment. No give up. Just keep posting your videos. It's always that, okay, you are one video away from blowing. Maybe after that video blow like this, your channel don't go. Like us, our channel started moving when we got our first 10,000 views on this channel. The first 10,000 views I got was the last 10,000 views I got on my channel. Before I knew what was happening, once I post video like this, before even in 10k, before even in 20k, before even in 30k, before this 100,000, like that, my shots, until I began to have this copyright strike. That was when I decided to go. Even the one that has strike and the one that no get strike, I comot everything from my channel. I will let them put them inside pocket, throw them, burn them inside Ozamoa forest. Now me by myself carry and go burn them, because all those things that wait no, I don't suffer for 4 years build this channel. Come they waste time today like this. 4 years now I stay on YouTube before my channel begin to grow, and in 3 months I was able to get 5,000 subscribers. Imagine that patient. Just sit back and imagine am first. 4 years before your channel get that recognition. So if you start yesterday and today you are expecting to get 10,000 views, my brother, calm down. It's just time. Your channel go grow, yeah, but just calm down first. They post video, keep posting your videos. Time will come, now you go vex smile, come, Solex, thank you that day where you tell me this one thing one time, now you go thank me later. The only thing is reward day inside consistency. Now book of Juliana Imam be that. If you want to read that book, go check them out on her LinkedIn page. There is a reward in all your consistency. Make sure you stay consistent. Reward day amo. No talk say I no tell you. Reward day. My own they pay off. Make sure say your own too pay off. Right? Bye bye. I'll see you on the next video. Remember, if they use people's content, know how to use them. Go study YouTube guide, YouTube rules before you begin use people's content. Because there are things where we say just small things, small mistake like this way you do. Then it go be the reason why your channel don't leave your hand. Don't go. Law. So I beg, make on no rush on yourself. Do your thing. Stay natural. Stay yourself. I seem like this, I dey my own natural lane now. I no one care. My content is just for one person, not for two. And a way of me staying consistent be that I dey make my video for one person. If I come on my channel and I see one extra view aside from my own view, where I view as I dey upload them, one extra view, I don't rest. You don't be that. One person don't watch them. Don't set for me. I don't want 1 million people to come watch them first. Just one person watch them, make just learn. Don't set. So if you get that kind of mentality, that mindset, oga, people know they watch your video, no go burn you out. Now they use people's content. See where they use person content. Remember, e dey like man where they follow person wife, or woman where they follow man husband. Be careful, no talk say I no tell you. I'll see you on the next video. Let's keep enjoying watching this video, okay? All right, see you on the next video, and click here to watch more if you find this one very helpful. Bye bye, see you.